Alright, so guys, I found a new website that you can use to make some money, right? Just use your smartphone. As you can see, this platform is gonna pay you in UGX. As you can see right here, this money is over in UGX. Though currently I don't know how to make withdrawals because I've just got this platform, right? I was scrolling through the internet, then I was able to grab or to fall onto this website. It's called grabpoints.com. So what you have to do is to go to your browser or check in the description. I'm gonna post a link of this platform, right? So if you click on it, they're gonna ask you some few questions like your passive income and so on. So those questions that you will answer, those questions they will be used, and then they will give you some money. They will give you some points, and those points they will be equivalent to UGX, right? So if I done to create up an account, it's gonna get you to this page, right? So what you have to do is to complete these tasks, I think, on a daily basis, guys, right? So if you click here quick task, as you can see, if you confirm this email address, I think we're gonna get paid. A confirmation email has been sent to the email address in your profile. Okay, let's check again. Let's check once again our what? Okay, it's over here. Now if I click on it right here, I click on confirm email address, then if I click on this one, I use this browser. Let's try to see if it works out, right? It says okay, let's try this one once again. Invalid. It's just saying invalid response. I don't know, but guys, go and try it out for yourself. I'll be uploading videos on how it really works. What you have to do is to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'll be posting videos on how you can make money online, guys, right? Now if you come right here, you can see that there are two tasks that you can do. This one, it will pay you 400 and some cents. Then this one, for 5 minutes, it will pay you 1,000. Now if you click on this one, let's try to see if you can answer this question, this survey right here. Be honest, take your time, stay consistent, avoid VPNs or proxies. Those are the rules that you need to follow for you to get this. Are you currently living in Uganda? Yes, I'm in Uganda. Then you click and then you proceed. We collect some data to make your survey experience better. Information is always anonymous. Ready to start the survey? Click agree to start the survey. That's how simple it works, right? Which number is in which year were you born, right? You come right here. These are very simple questions that they can ask you, guys, right? Let's try to answer this survey. We'll see if we can get this. In which month were you born? I was born in April. You click on this. In which day were you born? I was born on 2nd April, right? What is your postal code? Our postal code in Uganda is 256, guys, or you can use 000, but I prefer 256, right? To access available surveys, we need your email address. This information is potential. Yes, I want full access. You click on it. What is your email address? Then you come right here. You simply come and you fill in your email address. Then you click on proceed. Select which gender are you. I'm a man, right? You click on it. Which language do you speak and understand? I understand mostly English, right? Okay. As you can see, congratulations, you can now join the survey. Now I don't know what was that, right? Now I think that they're directing me to other websites, guys, right? Let's try to click back. These websites, I think they are useless. Unfortunately, we could not find any survey for your product. Try again in a few hours. That's how simple it works, right? And if you go back right here, so what you have to do is to come to this platform every day to check how many surveys you have, and also you can engage in the referral program of this platform, but you can share your referral link and then get some commission into those people who join via you, right? If you come to surveys, you can come to surveys and you see everything that is being everything being uploaded to you, right? Now let's try out this one, another survey right here. I feel this video is gonna be too long. I'm gonna pause it right as of now. If you want to try it out by yourself, the link to this platform is in the description. Go try out and try it out by yourself, guys. I think that's it. I sign out.